I have to admit, when I first met Lynn Orbison, I wasn't sure what horrified me more, her one-eyed cat or the state of her house. But I've overcome my fears. I'm back in Normanhurst to see what my esteemed colleagues have achieved. That old saying of never judge a book by its cover certainly baffles me. Front yards are everything, and I can see that Charlie agrees with me. This clear pathway actually makes you want to go inside. Now, this is why I love my job. This living room has gone from dark and depressing to fresh, modern and extremely inviting. Lucky Lynn, a minimalist no longer, this looks like a beautiful, functioning bedroom, a place one could actually enjoy sleeping in. This kitchen was nothing more than a halfway house for a couple of very strong-minded felines. But this transformation is sensational. A brand new open-plan kitchen with magnificent bench tops. Shaynna's brought out the big guns here. This back area was just in need of some minor sprucing. The stained decking looks as good as new, with some lovely outdoor furniture and a nice big barbecue. I've got a good feeling about this place, from desolate to delightful. This place is now packed with personality, perfect for a young family.